What's up, guys? Today we're checking out the Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner. As you guys can see, this is how it came packaged. The brand was nice enough to send this out so we can test it out for them. So that's what we're gonna do. We have the robot vacuum out of the box, and this is what it looks like, guys. As you guys can see, looks like it has the branding right here. Airzeen has the go home button right here and the power button right here. In the front, it looks like it may have some sensors, pretty much to avoid, certain obstacles and stuff like that. Inside the box, we actually got 4 of these little brushes that are gonna rotate and pick up stuff. And then, as you guys can see, it has wheels. It has this little rotating brush that's gonna pick up debris as well. And one thing that I like about it, it's super lightweight, which is nice. And then here's where it would pick up all the debris, and then you can pretty much clean this out once it gets full. So this is what you get right here. And then it does have the charging station. So this is gonna go wherever you wanna put it, and it's gonna go back to its home and charge every night when it's done or every day when it's done. Power supply connects to the charging station. It does have a controller in case you want to control it with the control. We get the batteries for it inside the box. We get a cleaning brush. We get a nice little filter, and we get 2 of these brushes as well. Another nice thing about this this Airzeen R7 robot is that it does come with a manual, and it also has an app that you can download to control it and see what it's doing, and pretty much set up timers to clean whenever you want to, or send it back home if you're not home. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it to charge. Then once we put it, or we're gonna put it to charge, and then once we're ready, we're gonna show you how it cleans. So now pretty much it's time to set up our R7 robot vacuum with the app, and pretty much it's telling us to click these 2 buttons. Long press the buttons 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So now we just press those. Looks like it's in pairing mode. It has a blue light flashing. Now we're gonna go and pair. Once we hit upset, the device is pairing, and looks like it's successfully paired. So let's see, it's loading, and it looks like we can start using our vacuum through our app. Since our app is already paired, we can actually start by hitting on. And as you guys can see, the robot's gonna start scanning and going all over. As you guys can see, it's pretty quiet. Just trying to find its position. As you guys can see, it turns every time it hits something. It has a sensor, so it didn't crash with that wall. So you get different options. You get the random, so that's like auto. It'll go all over. You can do edge, so it'll go all over your home and do the edge. Spot, small room, and manual. So right now for manual, as you guys can see, we do have some rice here on the floor, so we're gonna try and clean it up manually. So it looks like you gotta keep pressing it, and it'll start cleaning it up. So as you guys can see, and I can start moving it. So very easy to use. And as you guys can see, it is cleaning up the rice off the floor. There's still some more over here, so we're gonna try and get over there. So I like that feature. I like the auto because you can set it up for auto clean every morning. But let's say you have some stuff on the floor right now, you can literally go and clean it with spot cleaning. So it's doing a pretty good job. And then if you want to set it up for auto, as I mentioned, you can do that too. Once it's done, it will go to the recharge station, or you can set it to recharge station, which is home. Or if you wanted to, you can press the home button on the machine. Let's say you wanted to go home right away. And right now, as you guys can see, it's going back home. So overall, very convenient way to use it. You can use it with the controller. You can use it with this app, and pretty much you can see what it's doing, if it's working or not working. And then once it's done, it's gonna recharge. So right now it's parking. and overall super easy to use. So once you want to get here and you want to clean it, you want to press this button, and then you want to open this cover, and you'll be able to throw away all the debris that's in here. So very easy to use. So we just want to show you guys a close-up of it. We really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.